Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the rack now. Remove all dishes and any detachable trays so you can access every surface. Rinse the rack with warm water to knock off loose crumbs and soap film because debris traps bacteria and stains. While rinsing, fill a basin with 1/2 cup white vinegar and warm water to soak small parts. Make sure to keep stainless separate from harsher metals. This immediate rinse and soak speeds the deeper cleaning steps that follow and prevents mineral buildup from setting. Once done with the initial soak, tackle tough spots by sprinkling baking soda over stained areas. Baking soda reacts gently with vinegar and lifts grime without scratching. Scrub along the grain of the stainless steel using a soft brush. This prevents micro scratches and keeps the finish smooth. Focus on joints and rubber feet. Use an old toothbrush to get into crevices where mold hides. Make sure to rinse thoroughly after scrubbing to remove residue, because leftover baking soda can dull the finish over time. You finish by drying every part immediately with a microfiber cloth, because stainless steels show water spots and minerals if left to air dry. Once dry, reassemble the rack and test stability. Make sure trays click into place and rubber feet sit flat to avoid wobble. If you find rust spots, apply a paste of lemon juice and baking soda, let sit 5–10 minutes, then gently buff. This removes surface rust without harsh chemicals. If stains persist, repeat the soak or consider a stainless cleaner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.